Hello you guys, what is up? It's your girl Nicole. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Doing something new. It's gonna be a hair tutorial. How I do my slick bun all the time. Yes, stay tuned if you want to see more because I get a lot of questions about this. And yes, I finally did it, so stay tuned. See y'all in the next clip-in. Okay, here I am, as you can see, looking all natural. I washed my hair last night and I had to go out to run an errand this morning, so I kind of just put like a baseball cap on. Also did blow dry my hair just a little bit, but not too much because I wanted to add a little length. My ponytail just for my baseball cap. Hair up. Then I'm using my spray water bottle to spray water all around it. I use my Extreme Wet Line hair gel, which I really love. I use that all the time, especially for my wash and goes, which I'll do another video about. I'm going to take my Gorilla Gel. It does look like snot, unfortunately, but it does the trick. Like, it's really intense, like it'll slick your hair up. Alright, so I have my bun. Now I'm doing my edges. I am going to add some hair at the top only because I want some color. And it's just a little bit more manageable because I could just, sometimes I do just wear my own bun. I like to have it all slicked down and know like when it's windy outside it doesn't fly. So, but yeah, you see me right now, I'm just slicking my baby hairs down. Now for my edges, I noticed as like over the years since I've been natural, edge control doesn't really work for my edges, so I had to use Gorilla Gel. So yeah, I had to do that intense stuff. But I recently discovered this Ebin by New York brand edge control. Now I've been using this quite for like a few weeks now, and so I also use that because that actually does work. I think if I use that alone without the Gorilla Gel, it probably still would lay down. I definitely do recommend the Ebin New York Edge Control. If you have a hard time laying your edges down, this is the stuff. So go ahead and try it. Alright, so when that's done, I use my Got To Be Glue Free Spray just to give it the finish touch, and it makes it lay down, and the style lasts pretty for like a few days. So yeah, and then I just take my scarf, wrap my hair. Alright, so the hair I'm using for my bun is by Free Trust. Link it down below. It's like a kinky wet look, so they have all different colors and your natural colors. So yeah, I'll just put the link in the description. Alright, so last but not least, I just take a few hairpins to secure my style to make sure it's laying down and nothing pops out. And yeah, that's about it.
Alright,
so this is the finishing look. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. To do a hair tutorial so bad because y'all sometimes ask me, how do I achieve my slick bun? And yes, this is how I do it all the time. This is my routine of my quick bun. And yeah, it's been working for me. If y'all enjoy watching this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you haven't already, why not? It's free. Also, turn your notification bell on down below so you can see me again when I post next. That being said, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.